Now let us move to exercise 3a. Find the product. Question number 2. 7 by 18 into 9 by 14. See, we have written the same thing here. 7 by 18 into 9 by 14. Look at 7 and 14. They are both divisible by 7. So 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. So we will cancel 7 and we will write 1 here. And we will cancel 14 and we will write 2 here. And 9 and 18, they are both divisible by 9. So cancel 9 and write 1 here. Cancel 18 and write 2 here. So look at the numerator. What we are left with. We are left with 1 and 1. So 1 into 1 divided by, in the denominator, 2 into 2. So 1 ones are 1 divided by 2 twos are 4. So our fraction is 1 by 4. Number 3. 28 into 7 by 8. Since 28 here is a whole number, so we can write this in the form of fraction like this. 28 by 1. 28 by 1 into 7 by 8. If you see 8 and 28, they are both divisible by 2. So if you cancel 8, you can write 4 because 2 4s are 8. So cancel 8 and write 4. And 2 14s are 28. So you cancel 28 and write 14. Now again 14 and 4 are again divisible by 2. So cancel 4 and write 2 because 2 2s are 4. And cancel 14 and write 7 because 2 7s are 14. Or you can do one thing, you can divide this number by 2. So 14 divided by 2 is 7 and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we are left with 7 and 7 in numerator. So 7 into 7 divided by 1 into 2 in the denominator. So 7 7s are 49 divided by 1 2s are 2. So if you see this is an improper fraction. So we cannot leave our answer in improper fraction. We have to convert this into mixed fraction. How do we convert this? We simply have to divide these two. So if you divide 49 by 2, you will get 2 2s are 4 and then this 9 will come down, 2 4s are 8. So 1 is the remainder. So this quotient will come here as a whole number and the remainder and the divisor will make up your fraction part. So 24 1 by 2 is your mixed fraction. 24 1 by 2. So this will be your answer. Now look at question number 6. 1 1 by 13 into 7 3 by 7. So these two are mixed fractions. So the first step will be to convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. How do we convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction? We have to multiply this denominator with the whole number part and then the product we have to add this with the numerator. That number will become our numerator and the denominator will remain the same. So let us do it. 13 into 1 is 13 and 13 plus 1 is 14. So 14 by 13. 14 is our numerator and denominator was 13. So 13 will remain our denominator. Put a cross sign or into. 7 into 7 is 49. 49 plus 3 is 52. So 52 is our numerator and 7 was the denominator. So 7 will remain here. Now you can see 7 and 14. So you can cancel 7 and write 1 because 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. Again here 13 and 52. 13 ones are 13 and 13 fours are 52. So likewise I have reduced this. So in the numerator we are left with 2 and 4. So 2 into 4 by 1 and 1 in the denominator. So 1 into 1. 2 4s are 8 by 1 1s are 1. So 8 by 1 is 8. Now number 8. 7 1 by 4 into 7 by 58 into 1 11 by 21. Again in the first step we have to convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. So 4 into 7 is 28. 28 plus 1 is 29. So 29 is the numerator and in the denominator you have to write this 4. So 29 by 4 into 7 by 58 will appear here as it is 7 by 58. And this one 21 into 1 is 21. 21 plus 11 is 32. So 32 by 21. Now you can see this 7 and 21. You can cancel these two. 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21. In the same way, 4 and 32, 4 ones are 4 and 4 eights are 32. 29 and 58, 29 ones are 29 and 29 twos are 58. And then 2 and we are left with 8 here. So 2 and 8 can be cancelled. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. So in the numerator we are left with 1, 1 and 4. So 1 into 1 into 4. And in the denominator we are left with 1, 1 and 3. 1 into 1 to 3. If you solve this, you will get 4 by 3. Since 4 by 3 is an improper fraction, again we will be converting it into mixed fraction. So we have to show the division in the rough column. You divide 4 by 3. You will get 3 ones are 3 and remainder is 1. So the answer will be 1, 1 by 3. 1, 1 by 3 is your answer. Now look at question number 10. 7, 1 by 4 into 2, 3 by 16 into 2, 2 by 7. Again, these are the mixed fractions. So we have to first convert it into improper fractions. So 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 1 is 29. So this will be 29 by 4 into 16 2s are 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. 35 by 16 into 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 by 7. As you can see, 16 and 16 can be cancelled. So 16 ones are 16 and 16 ones are 16. And 7 and 35 again. So 7 ones are 7. 7 5s are 35. So we are left with 29, 5 and 1 in the numerator. So 29 into 5 into 1 divided by 4 into 1 into 1 in the denominator. So 29 into 5 into 1 is 145 and this is equal to 4. So 145 divided by 4, you will get 36 1 by 4. See, this is an improper fraction. Again, we have to convert this into mixed fraction. I have shown the division here in the rough column. 145 when divided by 4, you get 36 and 1 is the remainder. So that is why 36 1 by 4.